teacher Pratibha and I'm back with another video. Today we are going to learn about animals. So before we begin our topic, let's have a look at some pictures and understand the term animals very clearly. Now can you tell me what is this? It's a cat. Now, do you know what is this? It's a dog. What about this? It's an elephant. And what about that? It's a lion. So all these are animals, and what is the common thing that you find here? They all have 4 feet. They cannot walk like us, okay? Yes, so animals have different type of features and we are going to learn about that. So first is the size. Size of the animals vary, okay? You might see a rat, it is small. But when you see a dog, it's bigger than the rat. Okay, what's bigger than a dog? It's an elephant. Have you seen a giraffe? Oh, its neck is too big. So you see the size of the animals? They're totally different, okay? Some are big, some are small, okay? So they are not like all of the same shape and sizes, no. They have different shapes and sizes. Have you seen an ant? It's really tiny, yes, but have you seen a giraffe? It's gigantic, it's so big. So see, the shape and sizes of animals are different. Now let's take a look at some pictures and see if they are small or big, okay? Now let's go identify their size. So now you see that some animals are big and some animals are small, right? They have different shapes and sizes. Now we will see if they are domestic, pet or wild animals. Okay, what is wild animal? So wild animals are those that cannot be kept at our homes or we cannot domesticate them. They live in jungle because they are very dangerous. So we should always be scared of wild animals. Like for example, if you're going for camping in a jungle with your parents, you should be very careful, right? You should always follow the rules and restrictions because they are very reserved and shy kind of animals, okay? So yes, wild animals. Let's have a look at some pictures and understand. Now you see lion, tiger, zebra, giraffe, elephant. All these are wild animals. Now we will see domestic animals. Domestic animals are those that can be domesticated, like we take care of them in the farm or maybe at the poultry, at the home, right? They gives us egg, milk and meat in return. Those are known as domestic animals. They are the friends of us. Right? Let's take a look at some pictures now. So, those were domestic animals. Now we will see pet animals. What are pet animals? So pet animals are those that we keep at our homes. You know, sometimes they provide us security. For example, a dog. It watches for our home. It's like at night, it protects our home from thieves and thugs. Very good. So we keep them at our homes. And they're very friendly. They are very good animals. Even like although all animals are good, but the most friendliest animals are the one that we can pet. So let's have a look at some examples. Okay, let's see the pictures and understand it very clearly. So these were the pet animals. Now you see there are 3 types of animals: domestic, wild and pet. Their shapes and sizes are totally different, okay? Now we will see the type of food they eat. First is carnivorous, the other one is herbivorous. Carnivores are those who eat flesh or meat or other animals. And the herbivorous are those who eat grass or tree leaves, branches. We will see which animal eats grass and which animal eats meat. Herbivore animals are those who eat grass like cow, buffalo, giraffe, elephant. And carnivorous are those who eat meat like lion, tiger. And you guess what animal is this? It's a jackal. Very good. So these are carnivorous animals. Yes, now we will see some uses of animals. Animals are really useful. Okay, ma'am, how are animals useful? So they are useful in many ways. They give us food, clothing, protection and a sense of security. So we will learn about them one by one. First we will see how do animals give us food. So animals provide us food in form of egg, milk, meat. Okay? So you see some animals like hen, turkey, duck. What are they? They're animals and they give us eggs. Some animals gives us meat. It's like hen, goat, right? And there are some animals that provide us with milk, cow, buffalo, goat, etc. Okay? So these are the animals that gives us food, and there are other animals that also gives us food. What you need to do is you need to find those by yourself. Okay? It's like an activity. Now we move on to the second part. Clothing. How? So we make jackets, sweaters from the animal skin or wool that they provide us. Okay, like leather jackets and the leather bags, leather shoes. Where do they come from? They come from the skin of animals. So they provide us clothes, and also sheep. The wool of sheep is very helpful. It helps us in making woolen clothes. In winters, we wear sweaters and mufflers. So where do we get the wool from? From animals. Yes. Now we see how they provide us protection and a sense of security. Like dogs are really friendly. They help us by protecting or guarding our homes. Right? At night when we go to sleep, our pet animals look out for us. They help us. They protect us from thieves and bad people. Okay? So that is why we can say that animals are also known as the friends of human. So that was really amazing knowing about animals. Now what you need to do is you need to revise it one more time, and for that you need to go back and watch the video from the start. And now it's time for me to say goodbye. Bye bye.